go. The biggest and one time again. A the king production. You are the only mighty one, the mighty one. Pan me son can't let me fall, can't let me fall. David akuvyokola, ebinunjivyo tebinsana. Turi musite twetara, tujikuba kubankoza vubaka bulaya. We are the number one, top party chats kaya number one. Gospel number one, champion we are number one. Yeah, you can give me Ronaldo, give me Panado, but if you give me my God, oh.
Okay, nice. Let's go back home and appreciate our parents. Let us appreciate our parents. Appreciate whoever has put in.
Say them rich, but you got all the money. I wanna be like you. Everywhere I go, I wanna be like you. I wanna shine like you. Everywhere I go, I wanna shine like you. We are the number one. Top party chats, kaya number one. Gospel number one. Champion, we are number one. Yeah, you can give me Ronaldo, give me Panado, but if you give me my God, oh, I dance it by hand, oh. Chase the rotates, dance it rotates. Chase the rotates, dance it rotates. Oh, 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 oh. Them say them bad, them know you're the baddest. Them say them rich, but you got all the money. Kankura get fekwe tubade, emi kono je fekwe tubade, kabase get fekwe tutude. Eri nyari yesu. Can give me Ronaldo, give me Panado, but if you give me my God, oh, I dance it by hand, oh. Chase the rotates, dance it rotates.
In fact, we don't want to call it a farewell speech, as we will always cherish each and every moment spent here.
In the day you began your kindergarten, when you were very little children, here you are now grown-ups. P7, you are seeing everything is now at par.
Remember your teachers. Remember your school. Also, remember Nopokeya. Time for everything. That's what Ecclesiastes tells us. There is time for everything.
Your goodness around me, your blessings around me, everywhere I go. Took a little about me, I realized it. Your love and wisdom, them are never fading. I love you, I love you, I love you forevermore. I can't give man a pudding, I go kaku. Magambi everywhere where I go. I'm grateful and I'm grateful for your love. Where I go, where I go, where I go, go, go. Your goodness around me, your blessings around me, everywhere I go. Where I go, where I go, where I go. Your goodness around me, your blessings around me, everywhere I go. Where I go, where I go, where I go. Your goodness around me, your blessings around me, everywhere I go. Ain't nobody love me like you love me. Ain't nobody love me like my daddy. You love your cola, you tell you thinking now, you tell you thinking now. Too many people tryna.
I saw the man of God here asking you some questions, and you're so smart. Yes, you're so smart. But don't trust your head. Don't trust your own understanding. Don't lean on your own understanding. Trust in God. And in all you do, acknowledge Him. and he shall also direct your path. Have you heard that? He will direct you how to answer every question the right way the examiners want. Jeremiah 29:11, he says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord." These are the plans. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you a hope and a future. Let me tell you, your future of January 2024 is already a prospered one. It is already a successful one. You get? Because this word was written about you over 2,000 and more years back. Because to God you're not a surprise. And he knew in 2023 you'd be the candidate at Noble Care. And he already planned it that you would excel in your P7 living examinations. You get? He says, "For I know the plans." His plans are to prosper you in everything you do. In your examinations, in your health, in your family, your school, everything. I've known the man of God, our director, for a number of years. And there's something I know about Noble Care. This school does not produce failures. It only produces successful people. And this is your time now. P7 candidates, this year is yours now. So you won't be the first one to put a negative energy to the school's reputation. No, this school produces only greatness, great ladies and great men. Yes? So, as I wind up, like I said, I don't want to really take a lot of time. Your future, I'm called bright. I told you I'm bright. Your future is bright. Come on. These people don't believe God. Your future is bright. That's why I congratulated you first. So when your exams come and the people are singing for you, congratulations. Remember that the guest of honor congratulated you first, even before you sat for those papers. Come on, clap for God. Yes. The Bible tells us that our story is from glory to glory. No, yours will not go from glory to shame. No, it will be from glory to glory. Clap for God. Yes. And come next year, even the P6 who are here, your story next year is also from glory to glory. Clap for God. Yes. So I want to thank God because the God I serve is a God of only wins. He wins every battle. I've never seen, read through the Bible. No man ever stood before him as an opponent, ever won. He has a track record. When he picks a man, they turn out to be giant slayers. Look out for David. A shepherd boy into a giant killer. A king. So, every kid who is here, every people who is here, your story is of greatness. Yes. Every teacher who is here, thank you for playing your part.
Me everywhere I go, where I go, where I go, where I go. Your goodness around me, your blessings around me, everywhere I go.